today's gonna be a little bit of a different one. I don't know if we'll do much off-road. I think we will in the end. We're at Fort Bragg, Mendocino area. Gonna do a little hike at Russian Gulch. We can only do one with the dogs. Dogs aren't allowed anywhere, basically. I think we might go to Glass Beach. Been there before, but go again just cause. Just over there yesterday.
Yep.
Got iced lattes from a, what was it called? The A-Frame Espresso?
Coffee.
And I missed it, but I hit 90,000 miles. Leaving Glass Beach. Wasn't that cool. Not what it used to be.
No.
8 years ago was a lot better. There isn't much left here. We were here like 8 years ago and there's a lot of glass still. Used to be stuff just everywhere. Now there's like nothing. I mean, there's stuff, but there's a lot.
It's just little tiny pebble
Big old pieces.
Yeah.
We're gonna get a little bit of fuel. There's no Shell here, and some of you might know I tuned my truck, so it's tuned for certain fuel. I think we're gonna go to Lost Coast and try to camp there on the beach. Probably the worst day to go, Saturday. He's barking at the dinosaur. Yeah. That's funny. I'll put 10 gallons in, so like 300 miles. Can drive around. I hope we can get somewhere at Lost Coast. We'll see. It'd be cool to, camp on a beach if we're staying there. We're gonna stay there for a few days.
Yeah, if it's Lost Coast.
That means I have to idle the freaking truck.
Yeah.
Charge the battery system.
Contemplating all my time. My thoughts make me tired, just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace.
Alright.
Ooh, that's a tight turn.
Windy road. Yeah, it is a windy road. Just got to the trail. It's only, it's 5.7 miles.
It's muddy.
Full pressure though. I may air it down because I don't know. I like comfort. I would hope this would mean not a lot of people are out here.
Yeah, I agree. I just don't know.
All right, I'm gonna let a little air out of the tires and go. Literally on the edge of the cliff.
I know. Yeah.
It was right on the edge. Here's the edge of the cliff.
And a big
Literally.
culvert. That'll wash away eventually.
Yep.
Rain stayed still.
Pretty cool through here though.
Yeah, especially with the fog.
On the outside of the cliff out there, down there, we saw people.
I see it, but I should.
There's some people camping, or at least there.
See it on this turn.
It doesn't look overloaded.
Nope, it doesn't. I see it. Oh Lord, jeez. Yeah, there's people there, but there's obviously there definitely more space for other people to park too. Like, so
Yeah.
you should have no problem finding a spot to set up. I'd say just steady. I mean, other people have gotten out here, so just go. We're on 37s.
I know. Just,
People
hey,
come in
mud-
here probably on like 33s.
Mud can be so bad, though.
Yeah, I can.
That's cool. Little,
Cool bridge.
yeah. A lot of camping out here.
There is.
Arrived 45 minutes early.
Well, Google doesn't understand off-road trails.
No. I'm definitely pushing to be out here,
Yes,
even if
I
there's
agree.
other people.
I don't care.
No.
I would rather be out on the sand out here. Well, maybe just one.
Alright, we made it. Well, I'm about to start making dinner. Yeah, shoes. Sound of the waves is cool. Of course, now they're gonna get quiet as soon as I turn towards them. I think we're gonna we got some skirt steak, make some quesadillas, make some pico for like chip dip. I'll show what it looks like in the morning. When we got here, we went and took the dogs out and didn't bring a camera or anything. But I think we're gonna be here for a couple days, so show it in the morning and then might discontinue the video for a few days till we leave because it's just gonna be us sitting here. But we'll see. Pico is made. Still got some guac salsa left over. Anita's, now called Antonio's. And a skirt steak. Grass fed, I don't think it's grass fed. But cooking it in some good tallow. So there's gonna be beef tallow quesadillas. Do 3 halves. And these are the raw tortillas. We just put in the pan for a minute. I'll do some cheese. It's normal cheddar. It's not white cheddar. Got too many onions, so a few on here. The meat. Hell yeah. It is worth it. Oh man, that was way too much. I think that happens almost every time.
Yeah.
This time we're doing sour cream on them. This one just like kind of holds them together. Okay.
Yeah, I think that's
And
it.
cheese.
Perfect.
Heck yeah. Okay.
Look at that beautiful crust.
Done. Oh yeah.
I've been contemplating all my time. My thoughts make me tired, just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace that I could find, instead of always being on the grind. I need a new purpose. I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching. You're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything